So, there are a lot of buzz about AI, obviously, and this question has surfaced a number of times, that is, AI is going to really completely replace BI and analytics. In my view, really, AI is a utility kind of a style, you know, technology that, like electricity, you will see it everywhere, and it's going to really positively impact what you do. And we use AI at any aspect of, what we do. Having said that, in aspect of really see the impact beyond increasing productivity, in aspect of increasing user adoption in BI and analytics, uh, that definitely AI will help with that and will help democratizing information and analytics. Uh, but if you are really thinking about, AI completely 100% replace BI, I would say AI needs time to gain that maturity from different aspects, from cost, from the consumption of energy and electricity. That is a big problem now for AI. The legal aspect of it, the accuracy of it, optimization of the algorithms, and a lot of other things, that AI will need time in order to really get to the point that we can fully trust it in an autonomous way. The same thing happened to many other technologies like cloud, we were talking about 20 years ago, but really now we see it in action in a way that we can fully trust it and put it in full utilization. And I would love to really hear from you in the comments. What do you think about really AI replacing BI? Is it going to happen soon, never, or take some time?